Welcome to the NW Superhighway Report. Now in Mandarin, Spanish, Italian, Japan and French. To explore any report, visit and search superhighway.com.au. French Report 15th October 2025. This is the Superhighway French Report. OPNE will begin permitting erotica, another previously restricted content for verified adult USAB 200B, so Sam Altman said Tuesday. Le prochain disque. Drone Swarm Technology de Arevaux, le prochain disque. Zelensky, to visit Washington this week seeking long-range weapons and a Trump meeting, le prochain disque. The Truth About the Coffee en EMA, le prochain disque. The Israel Defense Force IDF said on Tuesday it received the remains of another 4 deceased Israeli hostage that Hamas previously handed over to the Red Cross after returning 4 bodies, le prochain disque. Domino's Pizza learns from Bud Light, Cracker Barrel, le prochain disque. Obama-Trump Scream Crackdown is no poor idea of America, le prochain disque. Fendi names Maria Grazia Chiuri as creative director of the Italian fashion house, le prochain disque. The truth about the ceasefire bombings continue as Israel-Gaza peace deal is signed, le prochain disque. Department of Education l'atteste ploie to force young children to learn sex agenda without parental consent, le prochain disque. NATO 6 more arms for Ukraine as Western support fad and allied airspace concern mount, le prochain disque. This is the Superhighway French Report. GM to take $1, 6 billions IAS tax incentive for EVSAR / an emission rules is, le prochain disque. Police fear tear gas at Brussels protest against austerity measures, le prochain disque. China sanctions 5 United States Unis of South Korean shipbuilder the Hanwha Ocean over Prop B Washington, le prochain disque. Mitt Romney breaks his silence on his sustained sudden death as potentially important new details emerge, le prochain disque. Major stock market index in the United States closed lower on Tuesday after the Goldman Sachs Group Inc., Johnson & Johnson J&J and Morgan Stanley Co. reported worse than expected results, le prochain disque. Awkward one of me, biggest donor care more about Israel than United States, Trump say, le prochain disque. China's export of electric vehicles doubled in September as competition atom intensifie, le prochain disque. Doctor dropping truth bombs on the COVID vaccine and mRNA, le prochain disque. International, Republican Institute condemns China's religious crackdown, le prochain disque. Trump wants to push for Middle East peace. Netanyahu is still talking up Israel's military might, le prochain disque. GM takes $1, 6 billions IAS et scale back evaporation, le prochain disque. Instagram say it's safeguarding teens by limiting them to PG-13 content, le prochain disque. This is the Superhighway French Report. Stock Shop as US China rhetoric rend un poil Big Bang earnings give mix signal, le prochain disque. The Gospel and Pray across the world, le prochain disque. Newsom sign, law requiring online age verification, le prochain disque. United States, government add 2 Bitcoin reserve with historic $15 billion seizure in forced labor crypto scam case, le prochain disque. Australia's best begin Iron Surrey with a reimagined Gold Coast Classic, le prochain disque. Italian PM, Meloni's good looks and smoking habit make headlines during Peace Summit in Egypt video, le prochain disque. Death toll rise to 16 after factory fire in Bangladesh capital, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump announced on Tuesday that he will endorse his Argentine counterpart, Javier Milei's party La Libertad Avanza in the country's upcoming parliamentary election, le prochain disque. Should Donald Trump be thanked for the Gaza ceasefire and hostage releases, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump declared on Tuesday that a vessel affiliated with a so-called designated terrorist organization TO was hit with a lethal kinetic strike, le prochain disque. 6 killed after United States strikes boat off Venezuela in 5th such operation, le prochain disque. De Celestial, Concord à Universal, European Religion of Pagan and Christian Synthesis, le prochain disque. This is the Superhighway French Report. Pakistan police officer killed in attack big gunmen on a polio vaccine team, le prochain disque. Israeli Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich declared that there will be Jewish settlements in Gaza, saying Israel's security depends on their presence. So we have patience, le prochain disque. Ceasefire tested, as more ostages romains released and Trump say Hamas must disarm, le prochain disque. Greece's 2, and the general strike this month as Union protest new labor law, le prochain disque. Zioniste Israël admet des plans to resume bombing in Gaza, le prochain disque. Stock wobble as trade tension between the United States and China escalate, le prochain disque. Cold survivor speak of isolation, le prochain disque. Excellent advice for when we are under attack spiritual warfare, le prochain disque. Russian aerial attack is a Ukrainian hospital, days before Zelensky meets Trump, le prochain disque. Syria's interim President Ahmed al-Shara will travel to Moscow on Wednesday and meet with Russian President Vladimir Putin, Syrian state media reported on Tuesday, le prochain disque. With a truce in Israel, Trump now says he's ended 8 wars, his numbers are off, le prochain disque. The United Nations Nuclear Watchdog seeks a local truce to restore power to the Zaporizhia plan, le prochain disque. This is the Super Highway French report. David Icke, revealing the cults et secret society that control the world par un, le prochain disque. Pop urge Italy, to remain open to migrants during rite of passage visit to presidential palace, le prochain disque. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu initially wanted to attend the Gaza peace summit in Sharm el-Sheikh, but eventually declined for 2 reasons, the Times of Israel reported on Tuesday, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump posthumously awarded conservative activist Charlie Kirk with a Presidential Medal of Freedom on Tuesday, in a ceremony at the renovated Rose Garden at the White House, le prochain disque. Dashcam footage contradict Alec Baldwin's claim à garbage truck get him off before he crashed into a tree, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump accused the BRICS on Tuesday of trying to attack the dollar and diminish its status as the leading global currency, warning that any such attempt would be met with le prochain disque. Manson family group in every major city and most small towns across America ready to kill, le prochain disque. Nation Meet to consider regulation to drive a green transition in shipping, le prochain disque. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said Tuesday that the latest labor market data reinforces view that the UK economy is gradually cooling, bolstering the case for a Q2 approach, le prochain disque. The annual inflation rate in Argentina came in at 31.8% in September, down from 33.6% observed in August, the country's National Institute of Statistics and Census Index said in its report on Tuesday, le prochain disque. South Africa's Health Minister I knew if prevention jab but warns of limited supply, le prochain disque. Small business optimism deep in September but labor market signal all improved, le prochain disque. This is the Super Highway French report. Smart wearable tattoo technology with CG, le prochain disque. Rotten food, and torture palestiniens prisonniers Alge abuse in detention, le prochain disque. Golfetti, of to raise fund for vital outback cause, le prochain disque. United States strikes another boat accused of carrying drug in waters of Venezuela, killing 6, Trump say, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump accused China of engaging in economically hostile behavior, by deliberately refusing to purchase American soybeans, in a post on Truth Social on Tuesday, he believe, le prochain disque. Goldman This market feels like Hotel California, le prochain disque. US in 2025 24% of global GDP, 750 military base, and leadership in technology and culture sustain its global influence, le prochain disque. Happy birthday Charlie Kirk later today President Trump will posthumously award Kirk the Presidential Medal of Freedom, le prochain disque. New York Times, App and Newsmax among news outlets who said they won't sign new Pentagon rules, le prochain disque. Failures on sport biggest stage provide unique glimpse into how to overcome adversity, le prochain disque. 1 in 3 Brown University freshmen are LGBT survey, le prochain disque. Stock dump as Trump says China committing economically hostile act, le prochain disque. This is the Super Highway French report. French Prime Minister will suspend a pension reform to avoid government collapse, le prochain disque. United States stock finished mixed amid China trade friction, le prochain disque. Christiane Amanpour, apologizes for saying Jewish hostage were treated better as prisoners than Gazan, le prochain disque. Newbiometric, mandate signal New Era of Workplace Surveillance, le prochain disque. Most humbling thing I've ever seen Western business leaders terrified after touring Shein's factory, le prochain disque. United States President Donald Trump welcomed his Argentine counterpart Javier Milei to the White House, where the two leaders are expected to discuss mainly economic issues in a bilateral meeting, le prochain disque. Surprising shift transgender bubble pop at Colge. Thanks for choosing Superhighway News to stay informed. If you want to be a part of the AI productivity revolution, learn new skills and build financial freedom, then subscribe and smash that like button, register your voice today at superhighway.com.au to join our growing network of global contributors, a part of 24/7 Multimedia Inc. The Superhighway Report may earn commission from links in this report. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved.